shit. I don't even have the Prelude keys. Found it. Hey guys, so like I don't really know how to vlog and I'm not really comfortable with this shit, so I'm just gonna like work on my car and just record and maybe talk. I don't know. So we're working on the Prelude. I think I'm gonna watch it first and then yeah, I'm just gonna watch it. I'll let you guys watch here. So like I'm just gonna wash down the car with water and not use soap because I don't really care about the paint. Yeah, bro. What's up, Dean? What's up? I'm vlogging.
What are you doing?
I'm just cleaning the car. Oh. I don't know how to vlog, so like I'm just recording random shit.
Oh, that's crazy, bro.
I was vlogging and then I heard you like humming and I was like, oh shit.
Oh, you heard me smash it out? Yeah, cause you heard me the back bumper too?
I'm gonna paint everything.
Oh, you never paint everything?
Yeah, that's why I'm washing the car down with just water. I don't give a shit.
Did you spray the trunk?
Nah.
Oh, this is not faded?
Yeah, I don't know. Like most of the cars faded and the trunk's just new. I'm like,
Is it rear-ended?
I don't know. Look right here. It's kind of sus because there's a gap.
Yeah,
right
yeah,
there.
yeah. It's not supposed to be like that.
Have you seen the interior though? You have, right?
Is it good? Oh, dude, this thing is cleaner than mine. Actually, no, it's not the same. It's nice.
I saw it and I was like, this shit's pretty clean.
Dude, I miss sitting in one of these.
It needs more low for sure.
This is max on the chainsaw.
Yeah. So bad.
Dude, speak to you like mine.
I gotta fix a lot, dude. I think the rear axle bearings are like fucked up too.
Why?
Because I was driving and then I think I hit a bump. And then after it just kept making noises. So I don't drive the car
I think
anymore.
it's a bushing.
I don't know.
Too.
My dad said he'll look at it for
The
me.
car's old. Oh. Might be sway bar link.
Dude, have you seen all this Bondo?
Oh, what the fuck?
Have you seen it?
Yo! This car has definitely been an accident, dude.
Yeah, I was trying to roll it. And then I was like, why?
It's
No,
not rolling.
Thomas was rolling it for me.
Oh, and it started cracking?
Yeah, it started cracking. And he was like, why is this side so hard to roll? And then I took a hammer and smashed it and Bondo fell off.
Oh, shit.
It was like a hella thick layer,
Dude,
dude.
it is a thick layer. You feel it right here. Oh, shit. It's like all the way inside. It's like right here.
Yeah.
Oh, this car probably was fucking fucked up. This car got fucked up, man. Oh.
That car was probably fucked up too.
Yo, hey, the paint's fucked up.
Okay, Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is installing these window visors onto the Prelude. And I don't think it should be that hard. It's legit just 3M tape that you just like stick onto here. That. But what I'm going to do first is clean the edge where the 3M is going to go with some rubbing alcohol to make the 3M stick better. I'll be right back. Okay, I got some alcohol on this paper here and I'm just going to wipe it down now. Just going to wipe it down like that where the 3M should be going. Yo, I thought it was clean, but look at this. Hell nah. Make sure you wipe it down, guys. I almost skipped it because I thought it was clean. It's hella nasty. Yo, so I think install for this is actually pretty easy. Like this tab right here, I think you just shove it in underneath this. I think you just shove it underneath this and then you just tape the rest like on top like this. And that's it. Oh shit, it's not sticking that well right here. I might peel it off right here and just like add some new 3M. But other than that, that was pretty easy. Pretty fast install. Yeah, I'm just do it to the other side now. Yeah, once again, you just shove this tab inside the thing. I don't know what it's called. It's kind of hard to shove in. And just peel off all the tape. That's it. And what I do is like take a towel or something and just rub it against this edge where the 3M is. That way it could stick better. You could use your finger, but I feel if you use a towel, it's easier to like slide. And that's it. Hella nice. Oh, shit. Pretty good. There's kind of a gap right here though. I don't really care. Yo, so what I'm doing next is removing this Prelude Emblem thing. I was gonna use like floss, but legit I just peeled it off. So I'm just gonna peel it. I thought it was hard, like these, but it's not. I'm just using my fingers. I don't even have nails. Oh shit, I ripped it. It's okay. It's coming off really easy. I could probably use like a blade. So basically I just like peel off the corner first with the blade and then I just rip the rest off with my hand. There you go. That's it. now I'm gonna wipe it down. So to remove the residue, this is what I'm using. It's just WD-40. You can use whatever you want. You can use like the Goo Gone or whatever. But I know this shit works. So I'm just gonna use this. You just spray it on and then just use a towel. And it should come off. So the Prelude's starting to look better. I've been wanting to work on it, but like I haven't had time, and I kind of want to document everything on video. So that's what I'm doing. Anyways, this is where I'm gonna end the video. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, I don't know how to vlog. Wait.